Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm crazy. It's me, it's me, it's me. No, I'm going down. No, I'm going me. I don't know what I do. So are you.
Hey, you! Cut out that noise!
Oh, you can't do that to me. I got it now.
Oh, shut up.
Who said that?
I said so.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no,
I think the guy's crazy. Okay, see, it's cool boy. Being nutty, yeah, he's slap happy. I think the guy's really nutty. It's crazy, he's good school. He's crazy. He's also crazy. He's just bad. He's more
Yeah.
He's crazy.
Say it, Ellie.
You're
You're
absolutely
absolutely
right.
right.
A guy like that ought to be
Fine, you're not right.
That woodpecker's crazy as a loon. You said it. We think you're crazy. Yeah, you got some screws loose. Well,
What's this?
We still think you're crazy.
Don't bet it's crazy.
If you're so smart, let's see what you can do to that tree.
Here's a sage.
See? We told you you're crazy.
You're screwy. Yeah, you're nuts.
Better get your head examined.
You ought to see a psychiatrist.
Maybe
I'll go see a doctor.
Egad, what a night! I saw them do this in the movies. How are you, laddie boy? Any similarity between me and the doctor is purely accidental.
I think this guy's
Things go funny.
Sit down, stand up, bend over, straighten up, open your mouth, close your mouth, stick out your tongue, say yeah, rub your head, pat your foot. Habit forming, isn't it? Now, I'll give you the equilibrium test.
Hi, Doc. Me?
That's very funny. But I didn't like it, see? Now read that line. Can't see
Yes, he will.
you can see it now.
I'll bet
I bet you can't see it.
Well, open your eyes.
I can see.
I can
See, see. Oh, you're wonderful.
Didn't mind him, folks. He's crazy. He's crazy, but I'm all right. Or am I? Yahoo! Whoopee!
I'm not gonna